All right, traders, watch list video here for Wednesday, because Monday was off, right? Wednesday, May 28th. Had a really nice day in the overall market. There's the daily candle on the SPY. The NASDAQ was up like 460 and the Dow up 740. Pretty good day. Great job. Great teamwork in chat. I saw a lot of good posts, a lot of good trade ideas. Probably not going to go over those as often as I used to in these videos. I just want to make these short and sweet for what we're watching for tomorrow. So take advantage of the daily Q&A in chat. If you had, if you saw somebody thanking somebody else for a great call, or if you see anything that was called and you're newer and you don't understand what the call was, I'm happy to use the Q&A to show the chart and explain the setup. All right. Let me put this up for newer people too. Please read that. You can pause the video. I'm not going to go into it here, and kind of get a feel for what we're all about. Here's what we're watching to hopefully catch some day trades in tomorrow. Remember, we always want to start with the daily chart, and daily charts that are in play, which means recent nice moves, recent high relative volume. Those are what we focus on, and then we take the intraday setups, right? So QUBT is just one of those. Put in an inside day today. All of the, well, I won't say all of them, but some of the quantum computing plays took a little bit of a break. So we're going to watch that one tomorrow. PSQH, really nice pop today, went out near the highs. RDW, nice little breakout, could have another day in it. It was already on watch coming into today. RR, it looks like the robotic plays are coming back into fashion. A nice volume there and a pretty strong close, right? In that light serve also, not really a chart setup here. It's just been steady climbing, but it's still got nice volume. And I'm just kind of keeping that whole robotics group on watch. NVTS, Ramesh called this. See this high on the gap up day, 525 on an intraday basis. It was kind of chopping around, and he called it over 525 today, and you can see what it did. I don't think the stop was even 20 cents away, and it didn't stop out. Anyway, that's kind of extended, but it did close well off its high, so it definitely goes back on watch. Speaking of extended, IMNN also huge move. Whenever you see that, I'd prefer them to come in, pull back for a couple days, right? BZFD, BuzzFeed, nice little mini breakout, could have a continuation day. IONQ, flagging after this big pop. It's just really holding up nicely, and that is kind of the one that started the recent surge in the quantum computing play. So that one goes on watch. LVWR, I called this one an after hours over 256. It went to 394 just now. It's pulling in a little bit now, but really nice after hours trade in progress there. Maybe makes it worth hanging out in after hours if you have the time. BBAI, nice volume and has room to run. IRBT is another one in that robotic space and had a nice pop today. A couple more. Pony, I really like this daily chart. It just keeps pushing up on this level here, and then you've got this other recent high from February that it might challenge. So I like the looks of that one, and I like the looks of WRD. Nice volume back here. It's kind of going sideways, and it's right back up near recent highs today. So that's it. I'll see you guys in chat in the morning, and we'll be there in the pre-market building a list of gappers for tomorrow to watch too. All right, have a good night.